Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Custom. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. First let me turn off the dark theme. Let me apply this one. So today we will review this ROM. So let's have the specification of this ROM. What is the name of this ROM? You will get the Android version 11 and this is the Spark OS, as you can see, 5.0 version. Inferno codename as an official. This is the unofficial build and a non maintainer, and you will get the latest security patch, 5 June security patch, and 27 June build date, as you can see. So today we'll review this ROM. How is the performance of this ROM in gaming also. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So now let's check the fingerprint, if the fingerprint is lightning fast or not, how fast is the fingerprint, and the face unlock of this ROM. You can easily apply the fingerprint without any problem, and the vibration is also working perfectly. So now let's check the speed of the fingerprint. How fast is the fingerprint? Tap open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is good in this ROM, but not lightning fast. It is better than the average, but sometimes it does not unlock your device. As you can see right now, it is hang. So from my accordance, this ROM is not good for daily usage. I have used this ROM, I have played the game also, so we will also review the gaming, so don't worry. And here let's check the face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? Is it good or not, better than the fingerprint or not? So let me apply the face unlock first. So now let's check the speed of the face unlock. Speed of the face unlock is not up to the mark. It takes a lot of time to unlock your device, and face unlock is not detecting easily. As you can see, it takes a lot of time. Face unlock is average, fingerprint is better than the average, but not the lightning fast. As you can see, face unlock takes a lot of time. So if I talk about the other features, here is the fireworks. You can check all the features from here: themes, quick settings, status bar, lock screen, power menu, gestures, notification. All the features are working. And here is the navigation bar. If you want to use the gestures, so 3 button, 2 button, whichever you want, you can use it without any problem. Let me apply the 2 button. It takes few seconds to apply. Invert layout, we can invert the layout also, and all the features are working perfectly fine without any problem. And if I talk about the battery performance, is not up to the mark, because right now it is not available, because I have charged my device fully, because my device was restarted due to the low battery. And the sound is also working perfectly. Geo is working perfectly. As you can see, Volt is also working. Geo hotspot, everything is hotspot, Bluetooth, everything is working perfectly fine, so don't worry, not feel any problem. And if I talk about the safety net is not patched in this ROM. Let me show you. We will also check the Play Store, whether it is certified or not. So as you can see, safety net is not patched in this ROM. Let's check the Play Store, whether it is certified or not. Here is the Play Store. I have flashed the bit gaps in this ROM. You can flash the nick gaps if you want. Bit gaps is working perfectly. As you can see, device is not certified in this ROM. So now let's enter into the 3D Mark score. How is the performance of this ROM? 86,207. Here is the GPU performance is good in this ROM, so don't worry. But this ROM is not for gaming and other usage. Right now it is showing only 1% battery drop, but the battery drop is more in gaming, while gaming. I feel the drop, so that's why I am saying. And if I talk about the 3D Mark test, then we'll check the VGM performance. I will not test the Call of Duty performance. Here is the Slingshot, and the Slingshot Extreme is also available. 92% increase in the battery, 92% score, better than the Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. And Extreme 1, 12%, as you can see when you play the games. So there is a sudden drop in the frame rates, but there is no lag in the PUBG. But I don't prefer this ROM, so you can try it if you don't feel any lag or any problem, so you can comment down below. Now let's check the BGMI performance. So now let's check the PUBG performance. I have already changed the graphics to medium, balanced and medium. As you can see, PUBG performance is good in this ROM. There is no lag or any problem while using while playing the games. Oh, what are they doing? So now let's check again. How is the performance? Performance is good, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem while using it. It was perfectly fine. If you are a gamer, then you should not install this ROM, as this ROM is not for proper gaming. If you rarely play the games, then you can surely install this ROM, but for daily usage and other types of the performance, you can try top ROMs like Corvus, Lineage, Nusantara, and many other ROMs. This is not in the list of the top ROMs, so you can check other ROMs if you want for daily usage. Daily usage, this ROM is not recommended. Only for 1 week you should install this ROM, but not more than that, because this ROM is not this ROM is not really good, and the battery performance is not really good. Else PUBG performance is also working perfectly. PUBG is working perfectly. BGMI, and I have played the sniper training. It works perfectly fine. You can easily snipe the enemies without any problem. There is no lag when you are last one. There is no lag, so don't worry. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.